Hello, it's me again. This is the 6th video for February 2nd, 2023. And right now it's about maybe approximately around 3:41 p.m. in the afternoon. And right now they're just packing it in and such. Hopefully we'll be there later for the aftermath. Yep. A little earlier in the previous video we just saw like dumping all the black coal, something like that, trying to make it into a cement or sidewalk. Cement for like inside of that barn. Yep. Right now, this fellow is probably sweeping it up. And tomorrow it's going to be like cold mama, just for 2 days. Started late in tomorrow afternoon, all the way up to Sunday morning. Yep. So there you have it, folks. There's your little update. Right now he's sweeping up everything. So I guess that wraps it up for this 6 short video. And please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous construction videos that I've been taking for the past 4 or 5 weeks. Until then, your cameraman Dana Dresky saying sayonara and later. Bye.